Hey everybody, Pepe here. I wanted to show you guys one of my miracle fruit plants that are potted. These are actually little air layers that I've made, and these are from mature plants. See how beautiful that looks? Loaded with fruit, and it is a nice, small, little plant. And if you look over here, you'll see the mother plant right there. It's beautiful. And this one actually doesn't have any more fruit because it finished fruiting about 2 weeks ago. But we've already got, I don't know if you can see it because it's very windy today, but we've got bunches and bunches and bunches of flowers all over. And you can see it's a little bit more of a light green because it's been producing a lot of fruit, so I've got to give it a little bit of fertilizer, organic fertilizer, to kind of kick it up and get it nice and strong again. But I wanted to show you guys this video because you can see here that I have some very, very beautiful plants in small little containers, but they are all pretty much have little flowers and will usually have fruit about 45 days after you see those little flowers. And it's getting dark, so I can't show you all of the small flowers, but on another video one day I'll show you what the little tiny flowers look like. And I'll give you some tips on how you can get a whole bunch of fruit on your miracle fruit plant. Thanks. Have a great day.